Ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to you all. My name is Alan Soki and I'm your purser on this flight to London Heathrow's Terminal 5. It is our great pleasure to have you all on board with us today, and a welcome back to our Executive Club members and our One World frequent flyers. For your own safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. You should keep your seatbelt securely fastened and clearly visible to the cabin crew at all times, just in case we encounter any unexpected turbulence. In a few moments' time, your cabin crew will be commencing your flight service, where on today's flight we'll be offering all customers complimentary food and drinks. Once the flight service has been completed, we'll be opening our High Life shop. A full list of our products and prices, you can of course find our High Life shopping brochure located in the seat pocket in front of you. In your clearance time, just let us pass through the cabin with UK landing cards. Passengers travelling on passports from outside the European Economic Union will be required to complete a landing card. So if you're travelling on a British, Italian, Swiss, or you're connecting onto another flight today, and your baggage is all through tagged to your final destination, then you would not be required to complete the landing card. For all means, please ask me as I pass through the cabin. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, if myself and my fellow colleagues can be of any assistance to you on this short flight to London, then please do not hesitate to contact any one of us. Apart from that, now we'll leave you in peace to sit back, relax and enjoy the flight.